My friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine now, friends. This video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of the refinance coin. A lot of people message me that what's the next target of refinance and what is the best time to buy, sell or hold refinance. So after a great research, after a big research, I researched on Twitter, on Google, that I decided that's make a video for my friends, for my subscriber, which are the holder of free finance coins. So that's video especially for all of free finance holder friends. Before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please make sure to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about refinance coin friends. As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of the refinance. As you can see, a very badly fast occurred in refinance coin in the last 1 hour. As you can see, the change occurred in the last 1 day as about positive 7.77%, and the high price of the refinance is about $0.04505 USD dollar is the high price of refinance coin in the last 1 day friends. So friends, how can we detect the next target of refinance coin? As you can see here, you can see here, a very big fast occurred in the refinance coin in the previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, that is a really a big fast. But if we how can we detect the next target of the refinance coin? That's a very easy. As you can see here, if we look the previous last 1 hour price prediction, so the previous last 1 hour price prediction is on this way, but unfortunately now the direction of the refinance are changed now after this period. As you can see here, you don't understand, but at the chart, let's zoom it for a better understanding for all of you. As you can see here, that's a high point friends, that's a high point of refinance. After at this point, the funds of refinance coin are starts now friends. As you can see here, now the ready of the refinance coin are this tab. As you can see here, that is the pattern of the refinance coin. Refinance falls down like this kind of, as you can see here, now they move in these two lines. Between the two lines, they take a jump, and after a jump falls down, take a jump, falls down. But if we look the average change occurring refinance coin, so the average level is in the fast mode. As you can see here, the arrow represents the fast mode of the refinance coin phase. So that's mean that the jumping period of the refinance coin are starts now. So what should you do? A lot of people ask me also this question. So it is the best time for all of you to please hold your refinance coin, and if you want to sell it, so that's already best for all of you. If you want to sell it, it's okay. If you want to hold it, it's more okay, it's better for all of you if you hold refinance coin. And if you want to sell it, so that's not a big matter for you. So let's see the last 1 hour price prediction. Let's check it out what's going in this time in the cryptocurrency market. As you can see here, same procedure occur in the last 1 hour, great falls occur, and but now the pattern of the refinance are very difficult from us. A little jump, after a little jump, great falls occur, same like that. Now the falling period of refinance coin are starts now friends. As you can see here, the last 1 hour price prediction, the last 1 hour change is about positive 0.35% change occur in refinance, in the high price of the refinance coin as about $0.043 at 2 USD dollar friends. So what's your opinion about refinance coin as they goes upward or as they falls down? Please share your opinion in the comment box, and remember to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and update about cryptocurrency markets.